Hi everybody. So today I wanted to share with you my Seenew subscription box. As you know, the Seenew skincare subscription is the only subscription that I have, and it's because their value is so fantastic and I love skincare. So I always like trying new things, and the Seenew subscription box, the thing that I really love about it is, well, besides the wonderful products, they are always helping women. They will find companies that are founded by women, and they give back to the community, providing boxes to women in need. So I wanted to share the September-October box with you. And I took everything out of the box, but you know, their packaging always has this wonderful message: empowering women one box at a time, and the art of self-love. So that is what the box looks like. And they always include a personal note, handwritten, with somebody who has the most beautiful handwriting, which I appreciate because my handwriting is not that pretty. So anyway, this month's box was from the company called Honua, and I have not ever tried anything from that brand before. And so let me tell you a little bit about it. You know, I always like to read about the company. So this is going to be an unboxing and telling you about the products. I have not tried them yet, but I wanted to get the video out there in case anybody wants to get their order in. And the subscription price is $44, and it is a bi-monthly. And the product value of this box is, I think, $148. So they always give you a wonderful, wonderful value. I think last month the value was like $300. So it's always so amazing how they can offer this. But the company, the Honua, it said it was founded out of passion for skincare by Kapua Browning in 2015, when the demand for her Hawaiian crafted products grew beyond her treatment room. And she became passionate about beauty and trained in aesthetics to learn about traditional Hawaiian healing and medicinal herbs. So the products are all natural, cruelty-free, and they sound so exciting. And let me get in and share this with you. I do have to read from the card. I hope that doesn't bother anybody, but I know last month I didn't read the ingredients, but I felt bad about that. So I do want to read the ingredients. And yeah, I didn't want to put on my glasses, so I have a little magnifying glass. This is the card that comes with it, and it tells about the founder, and then the other side tells about the products. So there are 4 products this month. And the first one is this one. It's a beautiful pink color. And this one is called the, I think it's Pakai Cleansing Cream. Value is $16. And I think this is maybe, oh, it's 1 fluid ounce. Okay, so it says, this is a cleansing Hawaiian salt and antioxidant-rich hibiscus, combining to create a gentle daily cleanser that will leave your skin feeling soft, smooth, and hydrated. Seaweed extract works to strengthen and renew the skin while accelerating the natural skin repair process. So that sounds wonderful. And the next thing that they are telling us about is the Manalahi. I'm sorry, I'm not very good with these pronunciations. The Moonlit Glow Balm. And it looks like this. And it says about this product, that it is the perfect addition to your winter skincare collection, but will keep your skin glowing all year. While most of Honua's products soak in almost immediately to work on balancing skin's moisture at a deeper level, this one satisfies the craving for a more dewy veil of surface hydration. I feel like I can't talk today for some reason, but anyway, so that sounds really ultra hydrating. And the color is so pretty, the blue. I imagine that probably has some seaweed in it as well. And the next, the value of this is $82, and that is 50 ml. So I'm thinking two ounces. I'm not sure about that. And the next one is the Honua Invigorating Clay Mask. Looks like this. And the Honua Invigorating Clay Mask, the value is $38. It says Honua is a detoxifying clay mask that utilizes potent plant-derived ingredients to give any skin type a revitalized glow. And I do believe this one has charcoal. I'm not sure, but that sounds really exciting. I love a good detoxifying mask. Oh, and did I say the value was $38? And these all did come in little boxes, but I took them out of the little boxes so that I could show you the products. Otherwise, I would be sitting here trying to fumble around taking them out of the boxes. And the last item is the Lihao, again, I apologize, Lihao Refreshing Face Mist, values $18. It looks like this, and that is 1 ounce. And it says, the exotic scent blend of Hawaiian sandalwood, vetiver, neroli, and blue tansy work together to calm your mind and bring mental clarity and peace. You can incorporate it in your evening ritual or keep it in your purse for a quick self-love moment throughout the day. So that sounds really nice. I know I have heard of all those ingredients before, and you do know they're all natural because you kind of can see some of the, I think it's botanicals that, you know, kind of gather around the top. And that does happen, I know, with all natural products. You will see that discoloration sometimes, so I know that's perfectly normal. So I wanted to share those with you today, and I'm so excited to tell you that yesterday on the Seenew Instagram page, they announced that they are now shipping worldwide, which is so exciting because I have some of my YouTube friends here in Canada, and you haven't been able to try these before. But yeah, so that's the unboxing and information about this box. And I do have my discount code below, Julia20, for 20% off. As far as I know, that is the best discount anywhere that you can find on this box. So again, you know, I can't tell you how much I love this. I've had it since January, and the value is, when you break it down by month, so that's $22 a month, or even less when you have the discount, and for these spa products. So again, today I'm wearing no foundation again, lip gloss, a little blush, and of course my eye makeup, which I'll never get up the eye makeup with the lip gloss. So I appreciate all your kind comments on my last video, because for me, not wearing foundation is something totally new and something I'd never thought I would do, especially in public or on camera, because I had horrible acne most of my life, and just recently my skin, I feel, is starting to look not so horrible. So anyway, my next video is going to be on my birthday and sharing with you what my kids got me for my birthday, because you know they always spoil me, and I have the most amazing kids, and we had a wonderful day. My birthday was Tuesday the 15th, but I want to share with you that, and I've got Prince behind me here, and I've got Bentley next to me, and the other little dog is in her crate. They're all taking their morning naps. So anyway, I will see you all in my next video, and please leave a comment and let me know if you've tried these and what you think about this subscription box. Anyway, bye for now. I will see you soon.